Monday morning in the middle of October. This is Riedener Wald near Würzburg. I didn't stop here the night, actually I stopped at night at Rottenburg. But as there was a kick-out time, 6 o'clock in the morning, I left at 6 o'clock in the morning. And this is the messiest place I've ever been to on the German motorway. It's also just about the emptiest. Normally, maybe because it's Monday morning, but normally these places are packed full of lorries. And today, wow, it's empty. And so there you have the electric points. Maybe because it's the rubbish hasn't been collected, I don't know. Even in the service place here, that was empty. There was only one person working there. It didn't bother me. I just sat down and did some stuff on the computer. And I don't normally park my vans so close as well. I thought I might get some internet and be able to sit inside, but no such luck. Anyway, good. This is Riedener Wald on the motorway on a Monday morning in Germany.